Hi, in this recipe you are going to learn how to cook black quinoa. You can also use white quinoa instead. We are going to soak 1 cup of quinoa in hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes. The soaking process will remove the bitter taste that quinoa has. Now we're going to rinse the quinoa, removing all the excess water, and then we're going to take it to the running water on the top. Rinse it for about 3 minutes on the running water. Now we are ready. You need to get a pan and hot water. So for 1 cup of quinoa, you're going to have 2 cups of boiling water. Take it to the heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. Keep looking for the water to go completely. Make sure there is no water left in the pan. Our quinoa is now ready. Subscribe in my channel and give me a like. Once ready, transfer the quinoa into a glass container. You can use this quinoa in breakfast, salads, and savory dishes. You can find my other quinoa recipes by subscribing in this channel.